universe was in a hot, dense state. Nearly 14 billion years ago, expansion started. Wait. It began to cool, the autotrophs began to duel. Neanderthals developed tools. We built the wall, we built the pyramids. Math, science, history, unraveling the mystery that all started with a big bang. Bang!
Sheldon, I'm on my way to the lab. I have to finish part 2 of that experiment.
Leonard! As I correctly predicted, my fever has gone from mild to worse. A clear to a milky green. My body has begun its combat in the illness, and white blood cells have rushed to the injured tissue. This immune system has changed the liquid from cloudy and changed its color to a green and yellow. Leonard!
Sheldon, that's a good thing. You know, I can't come right now. Why don't you call Amy?
She's not here. She's out of town. Leonard!
Sheldon, I have to finish part 2. Okay, you know what? Drink a lot of fluids and I'll be back as soon as possible.
Leonard!
I know it's the phone, Mom. I hear the phone.
Well, who's calling at this ungodly hour?
How can I know when I'm talking to you, Ma?
Call from. No. Phone.
Hello?
Howard, we have a code Milky Green.
Dear Lord, not code Milky Green.
Affirmative. Sheldon's been sick and has been exhibiting signs of his sickness. We need a place to hide out until his adaptive immunity has begun a complete attack against the antigen. Call Raj. We need a place to lay low for 18 to 24 hours.
Okay, hold on. Ma, can my friends come over?
No! I just had the carpet steamed!
But Ma, we need a place to go.
Penny! Penny! Achoo! Penny!
Yes, Sheldon.
Penny, I'm sick.
Oh, sweetie, I hope you feel better.
Penny! Penny! Penny!
Yes, Sheldon.
I need you to make me some soup.
Okay, Sheldon, I'll help you make some soup.
Okay.
Let's go.
Being sick sucks. I don't know how this could have happened to me. I'm scrupulous about my care. I regularly disinfect my hands and avoid people at all times. Penny.
Yeah, Sheldon, I brought your soup.
Is that chicken?
Yeah.
Is it heated to 108 degrees?
How about I pour it in your lap and we'll find out?
Penny, don't be so mean. I'm sick.
Okay, I'm sorry, Sheldon, but how about you take some Tylenol? It'll reduce your fever.
Oh God, no. Keeping my temperature high will create an unstable environment for pathogens to live and reproduce it. Furthermore, the CD8 cytotoxic cells, capable of destroying virus-infected cells, is enhanced by mild fever hyperthermia. The darn virus must have infiltrated and passed my first line of defense. My skin and mucous membranes in my nose and mouth have betrayed me after years of scrupulous care. How could they?
How about you get some rest and let your immune system do its thing?
Okay, Penny.
Okay, bye, Sheldon.
Penny, can you sing to me?
Okay. What would you like me to sing?
The song Soft Kitty, Warm Kitty, my mother always sang it to me.
I don't know.
It's okay, I'll teach you. Warm kitty, soft kitty, little ball
B&T fur, 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 fur.
Kill him, Howard, kill him!
I'm trying.
Achoo! Oh God, no! My first night is being breached! Penny, I'm having a bad dream! Wait, what happened? I'm having a bad dream. Raj infected me. Just calm down for a second, okay? I'll help you. Ow. I got the shot a few days ago. Why does it hurt so bad?
Oh, Penny, stop complaining. Cytokines have been released at your injection site, and the macrophages just likely digested some of the bacteria, and are now finding your B and T lymphocytes.
Why is it red and swollen?
Well, lymphocytes must have reached the injection site and are now hosting an attack. It's hot because the higher temperatures are increasing the likelihood of denaturing the foreign substance, and it's swollen because all the lymphocytes are at the area fighting the invader, Penny. Stop complaining and help me. I'm sick.
Okay, whatever, Sheldon. Hi, Leonard, where are you? Sheldon's really sick right now, and I'm having a really hard time dealing with him.
I'm at work right now.
At work? You better not be avoiding him again just because he's sick.
No, of course not. This time I'm actually at work.
Yeah, okay. Just hurry back soon. He has a really high fever, and I don't know what to do
In
about
that
it.
case, in that case, Sheldon's adaptive immunity is kicking in. Having a high fever is a good thing.
Adaptive immunity? What are you talking about?
Yeah, basically, his antigen-presenting cells should have already begun displaying the virus to the T-cell receptors. This is an example of the immune system's ability to differentiate between self and non-self.
Okay, what does that mean?
It means that the helper T cells must have begun to activate the B and T cells by releasing cytokines, such as interleukins, which stimulate the B and T cells to divide and differentiate. Once the B cell with the greatest affinity for a particular viral antigen is activated, it can begin clonal selection by which antibodies and more memory B cells are produced.
I sort of get what you're talking about.
Yeah, antibodies recognize the antigen because of their unique Y shape. They cause the foreign substances to coagulate, which facilitates
okay.
the removal process
just
by
one more thing.
macrophages. So basically, don't worry. It'll only take a few more days. Oh shoot! It seems as though there's been a breach in radiation at the lab. I gotta go. It's okay, Howard. You know what? I'll pick you up and we'll figure out where to go. Okay? Alright. Close.
How's Sheldon doing?
He's not feeling much better. I kind of feel bad for doing this to Penny.
Bad enough to go back?
No. It's gonna take like 2 weeks for his adaptive immune system to kick in. I mean, I'm gonna milk the situation a little longer.
Well, hopefully the dendritic cells and other innate immune cells will quickly find the B and T cells in the lymph nodes.
Yeah, we just need to wait until Sheldon is recovering and the cytotoxic T cells and the plasma B cells have been activated by the helper T cells. Then he should be better soon.
Well, obviously the virus is lytic and is releasing more viruses throughout his body. The only thing we can hope for is that the virus was not able to find too many cells that had the receptor that would allow the virus to enter the cell and begin mass-producing copies.
Well, the bacteria could be a bacterial infection though.
It probably is just a flu. Raj had gotten better until he got infected by another virus. You know, that once the epitope changes, the adaptive immune system has to relaunch a primary response to fight the virus once again.
That's true. Well, hopefully it'll just be better soon. It's gonna take a while. Did you just eat that?
Yeah? Why?
That has peanuts in it.
What? I can feel my T cells stimulating excessive production of immunoglobulin.
It's okay. Let me get your EpiPen and you'll be fine. There. Okay, calm down. Oh, we're good? Okay. Oh my goodness, that was so close. You just dropped my glasses. I can't see.
Are they Ray-Ban?
They're Ray-Ban.
Then they should last.
Well, they're broken.
So you said you had a spare pair at your apartment?
Yeah, it's at home in my bedroom. That means I have to go back in there, right?
Sorry, buddy. I'll stay here while you go get your glasses.
Okay, but I can't really see.
Leonard? Liar?
Please, Benny. Just
Sheldon, Leonard's home.
Oh my god.
Make me a bowl of fruit.
You got me sick.
I couldn't be possibly the one who got you sick. It takes a full week of exposure before symptoms arise.
Well, you know what? I'm gonna get you sick again.
Inconceivable! I plan on isolating my body from you for the next whole week. Furthermore, if the antigens that you are being attacked with were the same ones that I was attacked with, and its epitome has not changed, my memory B cells will detect it faster and I will not be sick as long as I was before.
Whatever.
Leonard.
Whatever. Make me soup.
No.
Ooh, I got a new one for you. I like the way that sounds. I'm about to do it for you. I like to break it down. This joint has got me open. Ooh, that's my favorite song. I put my thing in motion. I do it all night long.
Achoo!